Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about the case statement in SQL Server 2022. So let's get started with this video. Now the case statement is working same like if or then logic, and the case statement followed by the at least one pair or the when and then condition. So SQL equivalent of if and then in the Excel, like in the Excel we are using if condition, if or then condition in the Excel. The similar way we will be using the case condition in our the SQL server. The every case statement must be end by the end statement. So end of the case statement you should write the end. And here is the example how you can write the case statement. So here is a select your the column name, and this is your the table name dot column name, table name dot column, table dot column. So all these three columns, and from here the case statement is started. So case when this employee office location if is equal to USA, then print the value at United States. If the office location value is a UK, then printed as a United Kingdom. If it is else, then it is like a NA. It's nowhere location. So let me move it to the SQL server, and then I can show you the practical with the multiple different scenario how you can use the case statement. So now I am inside my the SQL database, and let me start writing the query. Select start from employee. So I have a employee table, and let's execute this and see what type of data we have. So we have the employee ID, the first name, last name, and it is like a location is the US location, the department, and the hire date, and the payment. So now let me give a temp name for this, and what are the columns I needed here. Emp dot the employee ID I need it, comma emp dot the first name, and then emp dot the last name, comma the office location. So emp dot office location, and now in this office location I'm going to use my the case condition. So let's start. Case when emp dot office location, emp dot office location equal to, if it is USA, then I can print the value, then it should be under the code, single code, and then the single code, and then the value will be printing here like a United State. Just I'm giving you the an example. Now when employee emp the table name dot office location is equal to UK, then it will change it to the United Kingdom, and the similar way we can use the uh, for the other country as well. So now, or if case when this else, use like the NA not applicable, and finally and as provide the table name here, office location, I can say the name, office location name. Let's execute this. So now this values got changed. USA change it to United States, UK change it to the your United Kingdom, and again next values I have the USA, so it is changed it to the USA, and let me change it to the for other thing is copy paste what you want here. If you are having India, then I would like to print as a India. or if you want to change something else, then just copy, paste it, and then here what I can write, I can just named for the UAE. So let me type it for the UAE. So it's a United Arab Emirates. So let me type what it is. If it is a Dubai, Dubai comes under the United Arab Emirates. And if I have anything else beyond this value, it will type as a NA or the unknown location. I can say unknown location. So if I execute this, I will be getting the value. If it is a USA, then it's print the United States. A value found for UK, it will print United Kingdom. If it is a India, then India. And for Canada, it's showing the unknown location. So whatever you write it here, everything else beyond this limit, it will type as a print as a unknown location, or you can mention let's say NA because the location unknown. So that's how you can change the value. If it is getting the value inside your table, then you can mark as a if and then condition. So if it is matching with your data, it will change it to United States. If it is not matching the value, it will go with the unknown location. So that's how you can use the case condition in your SQL server. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you soon in my next video.